I am sharing with you a Chinese QLZ-04 automatic grenade launcher video with live sound recording. This launcher is replacing the QLZ-07 launcher. The same ammunition as the QLZ-07 is used, but the belt-fed design is added. The QLZ-04 is a gas-operated weapon, and its free bolt mechanism might refer to the use of the blowback principle. The belt feeds from the left. It is more reliable than the older ammo drum. The QLZ-04 is tripod or pintle mounted and is fitted with spade grips. Normally an optical sight is used, and crude backup iron sights are available in the carrying handle. The QLZ-04 fires 35mm Type 87 grenades from a 30-round belt. The rate of fire is 350 to 400 RPM, and the maximum range is 1.75 kilometers. Using an optical sight, effective range is quoted as 800 meters against point targets and 1.2 kilometers against area targets. The QLZ-04 is reportedly in Chinese service and has been exported in small quantities. Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, share and comment.